For the past few years, Republican lawmakers have not been able to come to an agreement on how to spend Iowa's opioid settlements funds, leaving millions of dollars unspent. Now, both chambers are offering competing proposals. State House reporter Skylar Talal is breaking down House Republicans' approach.
Currently, Iowa has $56 million just sitting in the state's opioid settlement fund, unused, money that will only continue to grow as national settlement dollars are distributed over the next 14 years.
We have people out there that are struggling. They don't know where the resources are, or they've been somewhere and they're not using good practices, and so people are failing in a system.
House Republicans want to allocate roughly $51 million from the fund to help fight the opioid crisis in Iowa, including $4 million for statewide initiatives through HHS and $27.3 million for Iowa's 7 behavioral health regions over the next 3 years, along with an extra $20 million that the regions can apply for.
We did not include any earmarks in our bill because we want the communities again across the state of Iowa to develop plans and then seek dollars for their plans that meet their needs in their areas.
Democratic Rep. Elizabeth Wilson is generally supportive of the House bill, but wants to ensure there's transparency in how the money is spent and that it has a positive impact on Iowans. She says there's a research institution that's willing to help Iowa with its program for free. She wants to see that included in the bill.
We have found a partner that would come in and do the research for us, help us evaluate RFPs. They would put the parameters around what kinds of things do we need to measure as we're moving forward, so that when we get into a project, we can determine, is this working, is it not? Completely evidence-based.
State Rep. Gary Moore, the Republican in charge of the bill, says negotiations will start soon, and they're hoping to reach an agreement before the end of session.
Ours will come out for debate hopefully this week or next week. Then the negotiations with the Senate will begin, and there's no reason why we couldn't have an agreement and a bill passed both houses before the end of session.